I guess he couldn't change his channel. Again, not that I'm keeping score, but remember when I printed off those copies because I'm like, hey, everyone's going to say he's a nice guy? Letting that guy change his channel was me being a really nice guy. Letting him take 15 minutes to do it was someone else letting him be a nice guy. I just wanted to do a Stone Cold Steve Rock impression and move on. Now, the guy had video issues on seat 3, so we're like, hey, let's move you to seat 5. He's like, I can't get it off seat 3. What does that tell you? What is the issue? Your VTX was the issue. Right. Now, what most would do, and what I'm starting to feel in my heart of hearts that I should have done, say, hey, it's your gear. Sorry about your luck. You better start learning how to fly line of sight, bro. Do you even LOS, bro? All right, guys. Mike Chin saying he needs to use smart audio to change his channel. Not sure what he has, but it was locked. He couldn't change it. Does anyone have a dry shirt? Thank you, Heapsy.